In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly workflow tutorial. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for GetFormly. From the search results, look for the official GetFormly website and open it. This is the easiest way to make sure you're on the correct platform before creating your account. Once you're on the home page, look for a button like Get Started, Sign Up, or something similar. Click that to begin the account creation process. If you want to try the platform for yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description. That's a quick and easy way to access it while following along with this tutorial. On the sign up page, enter the required information, such as your email address and password. Depending on what GetFormly offers at the time, you may also see other sign up options like continuing with another account provider. If those options are available, choose the one that works best for you and complete the registration process. As always, use a secure password and make sure the information you enter is correct so you don't run into issues later. After signing up, GetFormly may ask you to verify your email address. If that happens, open your email inbox and look for the verification message from GetFormly. Open the email and click the verification button or follow the instructions provided there. This step is important because it helps activate your account and ensures you can log in successfully. Once your account is verified, return to the GetFormly website, enter your account credentials, and click the login button or the equivalent option shown on screen. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. Take a moment here to get familiar with the layout. Briefly look over the main sections and navigation options so you understand where everything is. For a new user, this is helpful because it gives you a quick overview of where to create, manage, or review your forms. From there, you can start using GetFormly by going to the area where forms are created or managed. Begin with the most basic action a new user would typically take after signing up, such as opening the form creation area or starting a new form. Keep it simple and focus on getting comfortable with the interface first. That's it for this walkthrough. You now know how to sign up for GetFormly, verify your account, log in, access the dashboard, and begin using the platform through the website. If you want to try it yourself, remember that you can use the affiliate link in the description